Hello friends, my name Deepak and welcome to our channel. We are discussing on topic database and versus internet. So guys, what is meant by database or internet? Database are not the internet presently. What is the main difference between using library database and search engine? Database are not the internet. We access database with internet browsers, but we are not searching the internet. The internet is a collection of computer network that shares various types of information worldwide. The World Wide Web is small part of the internet that is made up of sites. It's www that allows us to share internet information. We access internet information through URL, addresses or search engines. Next, the database. A database is an organized collection of information. Database contents can be easily accessed, updated and managed. Database can be found in different formats. Database can be accessed via the internet using browsers. Library database includes thousands of magazines, articles, newspapers, and scholarly journals. Next, that can't I found the information content in database if use internet engines? No. Copyrights protects authors and publishers from other people copying their work without permission. If published material could be accessed for free on the internet, then authors and publishers couldn't make money. Libraries pay to have access to this information through database. Which is the best, the internet or the database? It depends on the information you want. Consider that anyone can publish anything on the internet, so you be willing to sort through and elevate an internet site contents. Databases are more credible because publishers have checked the content for accuracy and reliability. Let's compare library database content. Library catalogs, peer-reviewed scholarly journals, magazines and newspaper articles, online book, reference book and images. The internet contains personal and company web pages, email, chat rooms, ads, current news and information, and some magazines for newspaper articles. Let's compare library database are reviewed by publishers and experts. The internet is not revived and anyone can put their ideas or opinions on the internet. Let's compare database cost money to the college, and for this reason you are required to use a username and password to access them. The internet is mostly free, search engines are free, most sites that you retrieve are also free. So when it is important to use library database instead of the internet? In that condition, if you are a student doing research and you are looking for reliable source for if you need reliable information from newspaper, magazine, scholarly journals or biographical or statistical information. Next, when should I use the internet? In that there is you can use the internet as a starting point for research or just for fun, but you should be willing to spend time sorting through material to determine its reliability. What do you look for when using the internet? That determining the site, author and purpose. Look for sites that clearly state the site purpose about a section. Read mission, goal and purpose. Advocacy sites could be based is their content information readily available. Commerce best to avoid in research. Next, access the quality of information provided, timelines, how current is this information, is the site updated regularly, content are the spelling errors, is info supported by source, does it seem based, avoid sites with a lots of ads or sign-in requirement. Read the site privacy policy and disclaimer statement. Privacy policy help you understand the level of ownership the author claims for the content within, lets you know how your personal information will be used. A notice posted on website explaining what the owner does and does not guarantee in regard to site contents. How do I find credible websites? Be careful about using search engine. They use special formulas based on site popularity and keywords, not credibility. Reputable source, government agencies, educational institute, national organization, military organization. We have seen introduction about database versus internet. Now we can see the types in which database and internet is divided. First is resource type. In database, resource type is ebook, scholar, and or peer-reviewed journal articles, magazines and newspaper articles, streaming videos and audio, reference resource, and etc. These are the resource type of database. Now internet. Internet resource types are general sites, Wikipedia, educational sites, commercial sites, government sites, current events and news sites, professional, organization, non-profit sites, etc. The next, reliability. In database, reliability sources are generally written by experts, professionals, etc. Sources are obtained, peer-reviewed, evaluated and approved by experts. Sources are regularly updated and reviewed. In the internet, reliability are websites and sources can be written by anyone. Websites are rarely evaluated or accuracy, credibility, base or authority. Websites are generally not frequently updated. The next in database stability is next type, in which database sources that can have been published do not change, such as in journals, newspapers, books. Most sources stay accessible in database or a significant amount of time. Most sources have stable permalinks. In internet, stability, sources and content in website often change. Website URLs are usually not permit and often change. Because of frequent changes, website may be difficult or impossible to retrieve at a later date. Then next, cost. In database, SC4 library pays subscription fees for database. Because of this, using the database of campus requires students to log in using their SC4 portal username and password. In the internet, most websites are free to access and use. Many websites contain content requiring payments, personal details, usage data and other sensitive information may be purchased in exchange for access. Next is ease of use. In database can be confusing at first. Keyword research and Boolean operation work best, allows search result to be refined, narrowed down. In internet, easy and familiar to use, can use natural language when searching rather than keywords. Less easy to refine result and find precious reliable information. Then next, when to use database. Perfect for academic research. Ideal for finding research paper source. Best way to find the most reliable information. And in the internet, when to use. Perfect for general research, finding direction, entertainment, shopping, etc. Great for finding general background information. Should we use a library database or the internet? So it depends. It depends. If your assignment calls for scholarly source, you will want to use books and articles from the library database. If you are looking for the census data or very current news, the internet would be useful. So thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Jai Maharashtra.